All right, let me ask you a big question. What's the one thing you can do in 2025 to future-proof your career? The answer isn't a new app or some secret hack. It's a skill, but not just any skill. It's the ability to learn, unlearn, and relearn. Now, I know that sounds a bit cliche, but hear me out. Think about how fast the world is changing. AI, automation, remote work. Jobs we never dreamed of a few years ago are suddenly everywhere. But here's what's wild. The people thriving aren't the ones who know the most, but the ones who can adapt the fastest. Take coding, for example. A decade ago, knowing one language was enough. Today, there's a new framework every month. Or look at digital marketing. Strategies that worked last year seem ancient now. That's why the most important skill isn't the tool itself, but your ability to pick up new tools, drop the outdated, and start fresh. So how do you actually build this skill? First, get comfortable with being a beginner. It's humbling, but freeing. When you approach something with curiosity instead of fear, learning becomes a game, not a chore. Second, stay curious. Read widely, talk to people from different industries, experiment with side projects. Every new thing you try is like adding a new superpower to your toolkit. And let's be real, everyone gets stuck sometimes. The trick isn't to avoid failure, but to bounce back faster each time. Treat mistakes as data, not disasters. That's how you build resilience and skill. Finally, remember this. The job you'll love in 5 years might not even exist yet. But if you master the meta skill of learning, if you become someone who can adapt, grow, and stay curious, then no matter what the future throws at you, you'll be ready. So, as you think about your next move in 2025, don't just chase the hottest trend. Invest in the skill that will matter more than any other. Your ability to keep learning, no matter what. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you found this useful, hit subscribe and keep leveling up. See you in the next one.